Sacred Heart Kindergarten School is located in a serene and eco-friendly surroundings in the state of Punjab in India. At present, this temple of learning is igniting 1,693 young minds through 89 tireless and dedicated teachers. Equipped with all the advanced learning tools, the 5-storied building with elevators on both the sides offers a quality-based learning program. Being the sister concern of the well-established 49-year-old Sacred Heart Senior Secondary School in the small town called Moga, it always gives value-based education. The top management is dedicated to providing all modern facilities, including a world-class infrastructure as per the requirements of the new age learners. Our scope for EOMS is providing pre-primary education as per Montessori methodology, ICSE and ISC guidelines from class nursery to upper kindergarten. Apart from teaching and learning activity, we extend a variety of support systems like a child-friendly playground, well-equipped language and mathematics labs, activity area, assembly area and a sick bay. Since the school is amidst the green fields, children feel quite comfortable and enjoy both the curricular and co-curricular activities as well by understanding the need of appreciating the natural beauty and clean environment, taking care of the learning needs, health, safety and hygiene requirements of our preschoolers is our prime concern. We have been following QMS as per ISO 9001-2015 for the last few years. It really helped us increase our efficiency in terms of better measurements and controls on our processes and improve our risk management process. However, we were not being able to relate with some requirements which we felt were related with the industries. Moreover, we could never relate Clause 8 of the standard with our core process, that is, teaching and learning. As a quality-conscious and a system-driven school, we always wanted to establish high-level education sector-specific international standards. We always wanted our stakeholders to value our certification.
Since the focus of our school management has always been to make the continuous improvements of our systems, our chairman sir came across ISO 21001 standard, which is meant specially for the education sector. The school requested the accredited certification body COAE International, which is the only certified body for the education sector, to train our core team so that we could implement the EOMS standards and conduct an effective internal audit. We are extremely delighted to go in for this certification. We could add immense value to our system through this certification and also through the guidance of the annexure A of the standard.
Though we faced a lot of challenges while meeting the requirements, mainly the lack of awareness among other interested parties, a bit of reluctance of our staff to move away from the existing and conventional system, ensuring provisions for students with special needs, establishing a transparent communication process, etc. But once we started achieving the efficiency in all our academic and non-academic processes, we could gain the confidence and gradually started getting the support of our teaching faculty and the parents' community. By using the EOMS standard as an educational improvement tool, we have improved our teaching, learning activities, due to continuous reviews of the curriculum, especially the results and achievement of learning outcomes in a well-structured manner, maintain better coordination among the staff and enhancing their competence, increased awareness regarding our social responsibility, improved the safety culture in the school and exercising better care regarding the data protection. By following the global standards, we know that we are also now prepared for foreign exchange programs and for ensuring a high-level satisfaction of all our interested parties. We are delighted to know that we will be among the first few schools in India to get the EOMS certification. In fact, we will probably be the first EOMS certified kindergarten. Many thanks to the educational auditors of COAE International for being firm on each and every requirement of the standard and for maintaining a high quality in their professional approach. We look forward to a day when all the educational organizations of our country, including schools, colleges, and universities that are involved in imparting formal education will implement the EOMS standard and get certified. Country will become a better place for the learners.
I'm glad that Sacred Heart Kindergarten School is going for its upgradation in terms of ISO, because since it has already been ISO 9001-2015 and Chairman Sir now feels that there needs to be something which is more specific for the educational needs of the institution. And Chairman Sir has decided that we should go for ISO 21001-2018, which will enable the whole system to be in place with regard to the educational needs of the students and for a quality teaching learning process to happen in the whole system. And I wish that these children will get the maximum benefit out of the system, and I wish Sacred Heart Kindergarten School all the best to go ahead and get this ISO 21001-2018.
All the best. Thank you for watching the video.